Red. Oh, this man never can be a yard, you know. Never can be a yard. Red. Man,
Mike, yo, my ease up and do
I
it.
just say that. Relax yourself, man. Don't trouble come for you. What you deal with you? I'm going to check two girls up the road. What you say? Up to it?
What you say? Where they in there?
Can't believe you say no know what I want. I two girls be passing in the area. Right up there, so. You don't know, say, me, you know. Me come here, if me did that phone, I call you, matter of fact. That's why I come bang on the door. Yo, me say the girl up there, I don't want to go up there alone, because you know, say one man go which part two girls have a problem. Nothing now go run. So you're forward or you're not forward. Just make me know if I know. So me know if me want to go up there by myself.
What you mean if me have forward? You know if a girl business, me have to involve. So come on, go look for your girl them right now. For a girl know so I'm ready, like Freddy.
No, you're talking. Let's move it, boy.
So I said, hot girl around there.
You could have asked that some nice skin girl.
Yo, me always hear you talk about girl now. I always want to laggy girl, me hear you talk about in a POPEYE.
I like a girl might better one than a gear bone.
No, brother, I want to laggy girl daddy. Hot girl more. Talk about Brazilian hair, long nails, pedicure. Oh, you mean daddy?
I like a girl with a bushy hair.
Boy.
Call it, you know.
Sorry for you. Sorry for you.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Wow, I kill her.
POPEYE, how you hot girl in over there? Where you in there?
What's that, man?
Nothing on the veranda.
She inside, man. Thoroughly.
Call up your man them then, man.
That's what I'm phone there. That's the man. She'll come on, man. She must hear me.
Call.
No call woman pan banger. Let's relax, man.
I could have would have called me, you know.
Oh, she coming.
Oh, are you?
That's
We can't deal with it right now. You have to come back later. Alright.
But my love is still here.
Alright. I'm kind of busy you know, so you have to come back later.
So POPEYE, I can't really come around my youth. Woman style me.
Relax, man, you. Just relax, man. I just one girl, lad.
All you don't really mean style, though. You in style. You know what I do? I girl on me.
One girl for bar, what you do? What you go and go do? We choke the chicken.
No, man, I'm Alex, I make love down there.
Relax, man. I'm coming and go to the road, man.
So come on, then. Yo, POPEYE, I know my yard, I'm going to my youth. That me tell you.
Listen, man. Listen, man. I'm so calm down with man. Listen, man, you. Tell you. Let's see how we walk up all day. Every one of them check them busy, them this, them that. I say go. And every day I go bingo. If you're humble can't suck your most milk. So we check 20 of them today. 9 catch. I say go. We don't get none. Them busy. It's just like a busy normal day.
POPEYE, remember I tell me, sir, I saw hot girl him daddy. Me I go up with bad man and go that disrespect me my youth. Me never know say that can't go up with some me get disrespect. Bad man. Never know my youth. How can I waste mission that can't go up on? Say hot girl them definitely know two girls up the lane.
This is the part where you know. You know, listen to the word when I say. I say them a hot girl. Me never say them cute. You never go up on the ends and say, yo, some hot box them there. That's how you work. Me never say a cute girl. Come on, bro. Me just say, yo, a hot girl.
Yo, you know say you do. I'm not get one of girl them. I see some one of girl them come out in a youth. And see you back and tell her. Hook one flower back and tell her, see you, you know no style in a youth. I not go back no with you again. That me I tell you youth. No style, the thing should be done. My youth, I'm waste all my day. You could have chop all the line, daddy. A 10 boy, I can go look for girl and say, my youth. This next time, no come on me all. I come book me door, come talk about Reds. That me don't come back for me next time, daddy. That me I tell, come now, they on them the low movements again.
Listen, me understand what you're trying to tell me, you know. Me stop if I'm choppy line. I don't care if you want chop line or you want this line. But me I tell you see, you tell me something, don't care about one end. You see, tomorrow morning, you want nice fluffy girl down the road for the check. I said, since I just said, you now roll back with me, don't show up tomorrow. I said, you come down as a friend.
Hold on. What you say? A nice fluffy girl that come down. You know what, Papa? You have to make me get the girl there, you know. You know, say, a fluffy girl I like, you know. You don't want you play with me, this mission. You know?
Look how life funny. The man just cussed me a while ago. So me tap him from chop it line. Me spoil up him whole year, but as they hear about the fluffy a come down. You want to see her. But no, yeah, no girl. Because me not too like fluffy girl. Me like the little natural slim as them. But me not too have a problem with them. But you what me say now? Relax yourself, man. Just go on home, fresh up, and then tomorrow morning you link me.
Alright then. Tomorrow then you go link your fluffy.
Well, me not tell you like it's a must, but you know. Right, you know, you see the girl team business, you know. You have to keep it down on a level, you know, because you see what I go on right, you know. Because you remember the man I seen chop in the closet? Right now, him chopping a one right, you know.
Jesus.
And one out here, same thing happen to him, you know. You know what? Let me make sure I tell you this. This thing will change my mind. Everything cancel. You see, if you want to check it fluffy and chop in the closet, you go on, but me I go on my yard, go chop in the closet.
I mean, I say, I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy, you try hard. I say, no boy, hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades. Hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. You know, sometimes man, I want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she'll go and go in school still, you know, grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing I call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad things I call upon her name, man. Where they may say them thief and money, she thief and money, and them things them feel like embarrassed. You know them way there?
So she?
Well, I hear saying, boy, she told she move, boy, I have to believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you're going to follow the shit on you, at that. Fear fault, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I'm going to fix it, man. When mom tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl
man.
picking them things, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I youth them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter can't keep your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it all going
You
on.
mean my daughter thief your money? I don't believe that. What not ever say?
Of course she can't keep my daughter money. So I want to know the money I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look, a girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see, same thing when I tell you about my youth. A bit bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more of my money. I come for just give me money. I go on and I go here. Because I don't know long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just work back your money. Come on, a joke.
Collect your money, baby.
Well, listen.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, baby. We are go home.
Yo, where money there? Where they come? Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Cause your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that. Just give me people the money.
But me never,
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I
money.
sit down all along, me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on your phone. Me no know where I talk, but me never steal no money. Me no know where people them a talk about. A lot of them a tell for me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tap it nice, man. Me don't want to hear nothing more fire, you know. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing in a beer like them and tell upon him, you know. So I keep my little pit in my yard, you know.
You're sorry. You know some of just check out mommy and her friend them. You know Sabriana think Sabriana thief money.
So how I want to thief your money? So I want to thief your money and make your money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. Give me it, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. No, if you do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. Right now, Rasta want his money, and if he don't there beat her, he little daughter for his money. Come on, down a yard to the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody think money, they want blame family come look like people who can't take money. No, I don't know. Don't believe me.
Jota! Yo, Jota!
Yo!
Where there?
Yo! Power the man!
Boy, I know some me a pass. And here little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him taking money and taking money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I say to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take his money. Boy, I can't believe I said little pitney in time. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who hear the little girl attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not come here to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, now I'm tired, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time I accuse you, you know. You see me? Cause you see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's why I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of yard, man. And not go a people yard. Cause them lie and them wicked and them I make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I read this some of the from morning. And I never gonna know where
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright, then, I'm going to walk over there.
I'm going to tell you something what my old people them used to tell me. Say, if you not got follow rules, them own shit on you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want nothing to happen to you, yeah?
Hey, you know, so I like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
Cool suit, DDs, and Macy's.
So which part they located? Because you know, that nose ring is nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell here.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey.
Ashani roar me up a lot.
Oh, so Ashani made this sing and them Shani made sing song first. Lord God. But I'm going to start shot the kind of going to have to come out.
I look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the butt, you have the... You got it all. But you got to make it, you never make a mistake.
So your boyfriend is?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man, a stress, problem, and all these things. Me, single, free, and disengaged. Right now, I want white man or want English man. I want real businessman. I want lawyer.
Well, man, them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money. Me alright. Cause I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car.
No,
And
don't
a
worry,
car
man.
mat.
Don't worry. I shall.
Of
In the
course.
name of God, Miss Wu.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man march up here right now and just tell us, say, yeah,
You have
me
it.
own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right, sir.
See you, so. See you,
Feel
so.
that.
Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, I don't say we did all go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo. No, I'm arresting you fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, I'm a virgin still. You see me, I'm a pass through the area, I'm saying that.
Ashley, me name.
Ashley.
Yeah, man. What you name?
My name is Care.
Care. For real, man. Tell me, say, fire in the board, though.
No fire in there, but we there.
Yeah, we there. Yeah.
No, we can't take on we, but you know, say, we like your friends still. Probably will drive out to that door. And then I take a walk. Let's say about that.
How much do you like?
You me like, man. Me like she too, you know, but...
Ready?
What's the way I want so far?
Okay.
Why you see a
Care.
Why?
I see a Care.
Brush off your dreams come
So,
true.
hold on up. Where is the fire in the board, though?
Come fire in the day, but me there. Come. Wait, carry. I enjoyed that. Girl! Girl, me sick. Get up, me just dream say you're coming.
You did a 6.
Come here, let's go to the
What the best come up there?
You say, girl. Me and the man go up on the road and I walk up on the road. The man come ask me for front.
I'm just a dream say you're going with yourself in a girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say any man not going.
One with what? He want to do it in a car and that type of how he want me go in yard or something. Thank you, know.
Tap in head. Watch this mix up on you.
I'm going yourself. What?
You can duck what?
It look like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here, I can look for you, though. And when I look across the road, I say, I wait for the road. Where are they, sir?
Oh, then deal with it, sir.
I can't come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, say something walk on.
Yeah. Me know say you normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right
Quack
out.
man.
Quack.
I'm jealous with me and my man.
We love you.
But now worry yourself. My man loves me.
But your jig is
My man loves me.
Alright, quack.
Watch out.
Hey. Got it. Quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go the car.
No answer. A dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why both of you? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Oh, babes. You know, so do we are going river though.
I move, man. Which river now go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. I make a slide up on the end. But me I come back, come link you, man. Me tell you, say something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come a river with me.
But you give me something on the river.
One.
me see your name.
Maxine.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
You look like you have money. You can get a girlfriend.
I have money, man, but watch out. Can't go back way in there.
Back way that one. I have to buy me 2 pounds of chicken for the master.
Oh, we have talk some. I have money. Come in here, car, man.
Give me money first.
Come in here, car, now.
2 pounds of chicken, rice,
Yo, your shit better than
little juice.
No, I'm show you some. Watch out,
Come,
watch out,
give
car.
me.
Look, a foreign money me I give you, quack, quack. Cool, man. Easy, no, man. Just come in here, car. What is? Come in here, car. 20 euro, that.
Alright.
Come in, how much food I can buy our clothes. Come in here,
That's
car.
your word.
Come in here, car, no,
You
man.
like kind of lock certain way, so you can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in here, car. Just come in here, car.
Take it on the back. Quack with you. Quack with.
Stop dog, you know. You must get me a brother, so.
They're wicked, you're bad.
Yo, it's a brown in there coming. I'm forward, yeah. I try thinking and see what I'm going because, yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But I'm just going like everything is smooth because I don't know it go already, you know. Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, you have to have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You know, make no sense. You know, run up and down with them bag of girl.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there because long time she a prison. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she a prison,
Yo.
brother. Come on, so you're right. Let's check it, brown, and I see what I want. So you're right. Big up yourself, you know.
This is one big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big man. Cougar, Roga. It is what it is, brother. Bless yourself. Bless your wife with me now. See inside. Alright, man has a respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of son, make you ever talk, man. It's a long time I see you, you know what I mean? Woy, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, you know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I no rush thing. A woman like you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean. Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean. So, only thing we have to do is just maintain the vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. We're not rushing, we're not forcing. We just happen. You know what I mean?
You look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. May I listen?
Want to. Need
Get
it.
to the point.
I
Yeah?
need it. I need it in my life. Let me tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point, you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just make me know if, you know what I mean, we can get started. I'm going to take care of it. I talk about take care, but I talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, son. Hold on there. You really think some me would want you?
Me?
For do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you would penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
I'm forget.
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have did long time. You forgot to know your woman a friend? And you come and look me? Man like you, me not do it. Because you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talking about massage and money for something. You explain my problem them to you? Don't bother with it.
So you really have put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
You both can excel to the next step.
No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure so me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say and me done say what I say. Just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir?
My body you want to
No, man, no, that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On here, yeah. Mama.
Afternoon.
So you do everything alright?
Yeah, man.
My God, I see me just a pass and I see him half a turn back. I don't know what I mean, something that strike me eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady come like she hot like a fire. What about Mama? Everything alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
One buckle water. Hot.
So tell me something, I mean, more, you know, me talk to you outside no more, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice, you get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, Mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple in here?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here still, you know, I see how me can't tell me here for you and thing, you know what I mean? Like your strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for me, guys. You know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So hold on there. So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me.
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from you know. You know what I mean? We can't have to start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till it.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
I have my woman too. For some of the case so we can work out something.
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty. It's a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so. One bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, you know? You look good, everything alright. Drink my water, yeah. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
Yeah, one to your woman.
Oh, boy! I'm going to try food. Alright. Oh, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
There.
Yo, you see me? You have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl? Yeah, man. Me girl like brother. The big girl is like me, you know.
Hey, girl is. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. When I sort out and think, yeah, man, my girl, them this. Stanley and my lane, brother. You have to be girl it's like me. Top man will be in the area, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir, what you mean? Pop me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make. You ever have icky pan and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough.
Are the can you come? Hey, so here we go on. Bop, bop!
No, what the f*** are on? Come on.
My girl, that. I look come on, we have a link up. There you go. You know what I mean? Go eat something, you know what I mean? Or... No, take a eat us. We can work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come by me one bottle of water and then one look me.
No, no matter that, man. You are.
Serve! Serve!
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Can I get one bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty.
Tough.
Alright, thank you.
You walk me? No walk me, no you walk me. I'm just see a while ago na kissing the guy now. Lie. Which like me just see you kiss a nigga a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe, girls, you really go do that again after me really give you a chance and tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you. I still go do it. I don't want to do things and I'm sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe some mess really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why me so bad looking, so? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life, though? Cha.
Babes. What happened? Where can pan people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a cross is me I pick up. Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know. What you talk about? I don't know what you talk about. I'm clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now. Because I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call me? Because I'm looking at him. Junior! Junior! How Tony I call my phone for all an idea, yeah? When I call my phone for? Hello? What you want, Tony? I'm not leave with you no way, I'm just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I'm not plan to let my yard today, no. How? What you really say to me? Alright, I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. It's not a problem. Tony!
Come on, son now.
You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him.
What you say to me?
Yes sir, so when you call me and tell me say you catch your woman as a cold man too. Me I feel say then how could I really have one idea? How could I really cause them missing thing?
Hold on there. Cause here not come now, I'm lock up the window. Alright, good night, Father. Okay, I'm even good on the phone now. I tell you, if I did me in a few shows, probably say I disrespect you. See me right now, I'm not going to mash up the girl.
Funny, don't know about that right now. I understand what you're saying. Tell me what really go on. What you say I'm with you now?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carried it. So, I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So on the way walking come home. You know, say do me see girl, I bust out one nigga tongue.
Yeah, say to me.
She never bust out my tongue so yet, you know, never, you know.
Then you don't know what to say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing reach me today with my man. Junior really call me today and I tell him say, oh, him brother, tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know, poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me all sort of foolishness. Okay, what are you? I say me a go down a boy yard. And me a beat when you grill and me a call and he in a house and him not answer me. I call Junior phone, Junior not answer. I text him, he not answer. I holler down my throat, told him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look struggle, me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look fight, me and him fight? I don't go hungry, we'll be here together, you know? You want me to tell me, say?
Hush, man.
Really
Stop crying, man. You're not crying, man. Things are better, man. Oh. Stop crying, man. Everything got alright with them, man. Stop crying.
Why you know not to this to me?
I just saw life set, man. Stop crying for me now, please, now. Please, now. Stop crying, now. Stop crying, man. Wipe out your face, yeah. Stop crying, push.
Make sure you keep up between me and your secret, you know. Coming on, nobody know.
That good man can't keep the secret. But I wish you never have to go somewhere.
Yeah, go down go cook some food here. We call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank? What do you mean a prank you did a prank me? My mama clad.
I was bet something, you know.
You say you can't play draft, you know.
I like when you know me can't play. I'll bet your girl now.
So what you ask her to? Can't bet for your girl too, you know.
So you give me first move, see table line out there, you know. I have flip a kind.
Go ahead, flip a kind then, man. Man, sure. You take first player, man.
Alright. Check me now, I regret that.
See, your girl will have big fans too.
Yeah, I lose, man. Looks like the girl pretty, you know, daddy.
Man, play game if you play game, you know, man.
See, you're confused. You're not this is how you play. You play, man. I'm not thief, man. You give that man a fever. Look like you don't like your girl, little bit. Alright, you're playing. Swear.
Game poor early, man.
Yeah, you talk about me don't know if you play a game, and you don't know if you play a game. Watch out.
What go on, sir?
What go on? Come here. You ain't more and papa off, you know. You know. A long time I want to chop off this man, you see me? See how it's a break me again, you see?
watch this thing up. Think kind of play a thing.
Betting there, no, general. I'll not change the betting. A girl where I play for.
Like somebody are gonna lose them girl today. But it's not me.
You are going now. I'm not flip my kind, because me that win look wild. So I take the first play.
Watch out now. You dead first.
Brain I use my one.
The brain I use. And that dead one that.
So when you're in a deep position, you take a deeper chance.
I use the brain.
I trap that. So I left you another hole if you a while. So I trap that.
It's a big oof you get. Big oof you get.
So you don't know the game. Watch your hole of your belly report now. Better player. I rock with that hole of your belly tear out the whole brother. In the network. You can't believe that me do.
Me never see.
So powerful me being of them things, brother. Whole of 6 or 5 take me take the whole of when him go so, bam, bam. A ramp in there, you count alone if you're a bad man. With about 2 little soldier now.
Me not see.
Better push up yo, better take your girl, brother. Play like you want me to say, oof, your taste, brother. Oh, sorry.
Remember say you get oof first.
No, I'm gonna ride them game, brother. That's why I'm gonna play, brother. Because you know say you're gonna lose your flesh.
What one, Popeye?
You know, so me there I go and take a walk on the road there.
So which part on the road did they go?
Right now, sister, I like the on my mind, you know, so...
So what kind of things upon your mind? So what kind of things are upon your mind?
You know, say one bag of things from picnic days.
Papa, what really happened to you? You look like you really have something on your mind. You ever tell me, you know, me you grew up and you ever tell me what's upon your mind?
You know, say no nothing too tough still, but I'm from youth days. Because me I go to school, me always have them dream business and, you know, I have this wet dream business, but never know, say in a morning them things that happen. Never really have no family that talk to me about this. And when me there at school, me always afraid because I think it will happen when me there at school. Even when me there road, I walk up and I see me. And I look for no reason.
That you never want to tell me? Papa, that is how it goes. Even big man or men still have them something there. So you don't have to worry about that. You soon grow out.
No man, I grew up that long time, man. It's just something will come back up in the head. You know, when time something come up in the head, you just mention it back. You just feel like express yourself.
Yeah man, I said them something there go man. Anyway, I go about my business. You hear, so later we talk.
Alright, youngness. Take time. Alright.
You know, so I'm concerned about your brother, Popeye. I'm really concerned about Popeye.
You can't concern about Popeye. You say my Popeye a madman. Anyways, what you say do you?
You know, so enough for go on, so. You don't for go on, so. You know, see, I go to you, make him a behave, so. Because look, while I go, I see him, and I come down, and I say to me, say, yo, he might think about all type of things, and he might think about puberty, and when he did young, anything, so he might go to school, he might go have puberty, but he never know, say, a morning time it happen. You have to go talk to him, you know, man, because he wants somebody to talk to him.
What kind of puberty think business you come to me about? What kind of foolishness you come to me about? What about puberty? What kind of argument that you come to me about? I road me for run out of bus, you know. Why for that, man? What kind of puberty argument you come to man about?
Sir, calm down. It's not puberty, it's puberty. Say puberty, not puberty. Puberty?
You think of school me there?
You know what? Me now waste my bread pan this. Uno up there, uno family member up there make Popeye stay so. Me come out to your bus and left you. Bye.
This a girl come slam man door come talk about puberty. You see the one Popeye? The man there waste money.
You have a condom?
Yeah, man. Let me buy it. Alright, here we go. Me go shop right now, quick, and hope it don't lock, and me come back. Come in and know what you want, give me the Advil here, and
Alright. Go on fast and come back. Hurry up.
I'm coming. Babes,
Yeah.
it's sexy for me. Someone coming up?
Yeah.
Don't move, yeah? Why my herbs are bad, you know? Tell her. Herbs wicked, man.
Yeah, man, but boy, you want to try this one here? Lick me chip right now. Try you, me see.
Man, you really come so? I don't care no condom. Big old Advil. I might have just call one next man too.
Serve! Oh man, can't believe, man. Can't believe. What is that? Is that a sign? What's that? Serve! Yeah, man, see window up now. Yo, brother, may I beg you one favor there? Nothing can go on for me in the shop there tonight, please.
Boy, I know so nothing can go on for you because your shop lock off. Tomorrow business that now, my general, man, will lock off.
What, man? Let me sell some, man.
Goes on skirt job. Ah, see another more.
Yo, brother, your manners and respect, my boss. Oh, greetings, mommy. Greetings.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, man, my son have one vibes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, good vibes.
Yeah. Yo, me know one situation, brother. But I don't know how to ask and thing, you know what I mean? This is a big embarrassment because I don't really want to feel that way, you know what I mean? But, yo, come here, sir. Come here, please. Just, you no condom for you?
No, so I'm not really on camera.
Bahumba, John Master. You know, so I come from that shop, but, yo, is everything good? Yeah? Manners and respect, yes, sir? Take it out. What knife in there? Someone like in there too. Oh, that man.
Don't answer.
Yo, bro.
Don't answer.
Yo, me a fall. How that?
Yo, bro, come in, man. Yo.
Me a come.
Yo, bro. Bro. Brother, look like you're under the pressure, but I'm not busy with that. You have a condom, can lend me, please. Please.
Bro,
Condom.
I'm in the middle of something.
No, I'm going to middle of something too.
Man,
Check.
I just used the last one, man.
Oh, man.
Man, I gotta go back. I gotta go finish this.
Wonder if people just raw dog. Yo, B. Which part you there now? Yeah, man. I'm 5 minutes away from you, you know. I can link you right now, yeah? Yeah, man, just put on something sexy, man. Something short, too. Yo. Yes, my boss.
What you saying, my general?
You know, sir, it's a situation I find myself in right now, late night.
Yeah, man, because you're going. Yo, me buy a condom today, but guess what now? We go to the shop and things you condom then give me, Advil then give me. I mean, understand what I'm going, but tomorrow I start that out. But right now, brother, you're going. I don't know if you have a spare one, can bust me, come on, I'm going to mash works right now.
Tell him, man, look at. Yo, I see your situation I'm in right now.
Chop blouse and skirt. Yo, a raw dog business. Yo, brother, bless up yourself. Yes, sir.
Guidance, man.
Alright, cool.
Guidance.
Boy, you're going yourself, you know, in a way. But when you come here, behave like you're a big fan of jerk.
Something good, man. Good on, man.
I'm sure I couldn't wait for you if you come.
Well, I'm glad I couldn't wait. I'm really glad I couldn't wait. I think we need to do this more often, you know.
Make it. Baby. Yeah, man, here we are going now. I hope you don't like that one, you know what I mean? Because we got all out phone, no? But now we go enjoy it, you know what I mean? Because I enjoy myself while everybody else enjoy themselves, you know, just to be a part of the whole thing. So guess what now? Like, share, and subscribe, you know what I mean? This is the public report, public with a K, you know what I mean? And also guess what? If you're there public report, go over AV. And if you're there AV, come check me over public report. Like, share, subscribe. And guess what? Thank you so far. Can we reach 2,000 subs, you know? Hey, you know what I mean? So big up on yourself. Keep doing what you're doing, because I like it. Alright? Bless up. This is a public report. Out there!
Action.
Don't answer.
Bro! Man! What's on front? Raw dog? Father, I'm about to do this raw dog.
Ready? Ready. If it's that, go.
When you ready for me?
We're ready. Yeah.
Oh.
You know, so me have something for you, Axel.
What that?
I know you call up my name in the community with Kevin. But me and Kevin in a things.
No, sir, girl, you know, so me not do that. Why would I do that? Me have enough problems up on my yard with my man. Me not have time for you to walk and talk your business. I don't me do that, man.
Remember, say I alone know my business, brother. And I like, say me I sit down and chat with nobody else. And that's why. I hear everybody a chat about Kevin every time I pass. So me I wonder why I pray for the send out to nobody and a member or one somebody opinion.
No, sir, you know, so me not do that.
I just want to know, girl. And you know, I just like that. So anyway, I not go to day in a place. You know. People are calling my name all about and I love it.
How are you a plan to go?
You mean, you know, say nothing there as a girl. Me can't say yes, so. The man them up here so just corrupt and stay one way. And if you ask them something, or ask them for a favor, even for help and you're dead, brother, you don't know to youth. Them a come go on like say a front they want to be a woman eater up so. You can't stay yes, so, brother. But they want me mad out.
I tell you no girl, cause even if me man up on me yard, he come like say if me not give him nothing, is a problem. Every minute he just done in my skin, he want. He come like say he can't satisfy all in all night. Me I wonder if a motor work this a man here. Every minute he want. 5 minutes after we done, he want again. And if me not give him, a problem.
Me no know you deal with him. Me know say your man and everything, me not tell you nothing fi pray your man or nothing, you know. But me not trust him. He come like say every woman he see want, brother. Me no know if you see still, you know. Me not tell you nothing for go advertise and for go beat up on your man up there. But take a note of your man. Every girl him see want. And me see that about him.
Boy, that's a film business. I can't go up before you start call off my name. You're some good willing. Later, take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. And when I see her again.
Yo, babes, ready again, you know. Babes. 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 How are you doing? So, you ready for round 2?
Again, warm to yourself. Let's just give yourself out. I want to feel your body, so I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
What do you mean, say you're tired? I'm Michelin a ball, so I'm tired, you know. I'm not tired. Just babes. I could do it again, man. I'm not, man. When you good, man.
No, I'm tired, man. You know, say a parent should not pay me, because every minute I walk out my body. I'm not even have no little money.
I think so in a relationship. Everything in the house, me take care, right, you know. I don't like say, if you want clothes, me not buy it. If you hear want do, me not do it. So you mean so me should not give you money? So hold on, what you try to tell me, say? I buy sex from you?
I don't sell me, I sell. But then I get nothing in a life for free. Every minute you just under my skin. Me can't even count how much time last night you wake me up.
Everything there, I take care of. If you want food, you get food. If you want clothes, you get clothes. If you hear want do, me do your hair. So why problem? No, there shouldn't be no issue. You know, see, you kill my vibes. You kill my vibe. Not to feel like I want nothing again. You know, see a woman like you with them type of behavior, make man go road. You know, forget it.
You say me and the man in our work, you now go walk. Let me speak.
Yo, what different to do? I'm brown girl, see? But the phone just nice as so. One brown girl named Kira, see? She live around here, so you know about her? Because I guess I know, based on the facts I'm hearing, you know, I think I run out of that area she live in, you know what I mean? But more I know if you know about her. Yo, if you think turn up with her.
Yeah, man, down the road. She have a man still, you know. But me know how your thing come down. You know business about that. But, you know, what me want to ask you now, what make you interested in that, the freaky girl, eh? Why?
What do you mean? Freaky? Here I go on still. You see, my thing said different still, you know. Because if she want to do the thing to me, fear choice that. You know what I mean? I don't do that to her because you know my thing set already. I love it. You know what I mean? Have some fun. And if she want to have fun, me have fun with limits. But guess what I go on? Where see, I don't so she live. Yo, have a picture. I'll show you right now. See? You think a joke, I mean, you identify and make sure say she you talk about.
And she see one man. And right down this where she live, man. And she see one this original. Right down this where she live, man. We know you get her, you see one, I will get her, man. You skill like that, man. So anyway, I have a run still, you know, so we link up. And remember, she freaky.
Been a long time I no see you. I'll go buy Popeyes.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, man, me just run come in and town come grab something fast to eat.
Oh.
A long time I no see you neither. You good though?
Yeah, man, we good.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You look good. Fat
Thanks.
Hey, good.
Yeah, man, we good. You know, see, my boyfriend me away on him gone on machine. So I just I'll grab something to eat same time, you know?
Wow, the right thing, girl.
Yeah.
Step up.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
You know, some bigger to buy too. Some Popeye say, but let me tell you, sir, might find a girl, man. In the meantime, one or two. A piece of longy man, chop on pants, girl. Rough. I want to be old girl, that man. Yes, she's your man, Apple. Check her swag, man. Apple, yo.
What in public?
Apple, what going? See if around us, I said to myself, say, if I really you, I can't believe saying you, because, yo, it's a good feeling to see you. Long time no see you still, you know what I mean? But still, let me want to know, say, you know, we can link up back, because, yo.
Why you not changing, huh? You stay same. If you ask me how I do or nothing, you just want to link up back. Any woman get them, I'm sorry for them, you know.
Stop going, man. You're going again like when, you know, me get like a trouble, you know what I mean? Because me always do a thing, you know. You don't know a thing, but.
So what go on? What now? What you do down here?
You me see, you know, I'm really, yo, I miss you, I'm not lie. You know what I mean? I go straight to it. I'm not go around the bush and make you feel like some more, you know, Cinderella story and all these things. But you me want right now. See me in town, yeah? You me want to know.
Madam man, listen. Right now, I have to go home to my boyfriend. And if you understand, say this not gonna work out. You still not change. You're still a drunk girl. You see?
Can't believe, hey, let me even get a number. I want a number. I can call you.
Public, later, me I come go my yard, yeah.
I can't go in machine here, because what's something I can't even work over there. It's alright. Rough.
People don't give up nothing in this, sir.
One girl looks sexy tonight. One of them can't do tonight. More of them can't carry on me tonight.
Watch ya. Man, you leave me alone, my boyfriend and police.
What means if a man a police? You don't have to tell him. Me not have to know.
You don't hear me, some man a police. As a matter of fact, in the town right now.
Just because you look so good, you behave so. Like how you behave. Sure you look so good and sexy and round. You behave so. And like when my man tell you say you look good. You think good still.
You see, look very familiar. Look like somebody who needs to be a part of my life, you know what I mean? Wow, but tell me something. Are you from around here?
Then I owe your mouth sweet, so sir. You caught my attention still. Yes, I'm from around here.
Ah, that's so nice, you know what I mean? Because right now, I tell you, it's a blessing right now just to see you. And I really want to get to know you the right way, you know what I mean? Because a girl looking like you, my size, you know what I mean? Like I eat some strong food, you know what I mean? Yeah, heavy. Hey, but seriously though, you strike me as my type of girl. And a girl like you, you know, I would really want it to be a part of my life. My name is Kimar. What's your name, baby girl?
Yeah, nice to meet you too. My name is Ashley. And that don't sound bad because I'm single already for mingle. I mean, like, we don't have nobody. That don't sound bad. Can't work. Can't see where we can go.
Yeah, man, that me I talk about. It's right, that's what this I think for you. Because you're my type of girl. And guess what, I'm single too, you know. Nothing I go on a certain level. Because I wait for you. You missing out on my thing. So guess what I go on now? My number, you have to get it. Your number, me have to get it. And we have to do one thing. Alright?
Well, alright. Watch ya.
You don't feel go on, so.
You know what I want now? I don't live too far from here, so, you know what I mean? And when I really want to, you know, introduce you to my place, because a girl like you, a queen like you, I need to, you know, come know my place and you know all these things. You know, so I don't know if we can link up like us. And later on, and we just, you know, get certain things started, you know what I mean? So tell me what you think.
You know, so I don't live too far from the place either. I live right down there, so. But you sound like a really nice guy. Like them kind of guy the way not to treat ladies bad and stuff. So like how you don't live far and me don't live far from the town. We can just go grab a drink or something because I'm not really ready.
Hey, as a matter of fact, I know a nice place, you know, I know a spot where I fit me and you know what I mean? Set them nice, like a mood, you know? Alright, and if you want to get rude, something to away.
Rude? Well, we don't know why not, might turn out to be.
Let's go! I'm ready. You know what I mean? Come on. So let's see how going on now. Ready, you know?
Ready, you know, BS, but I don't have no money, you know. I can't owe you till next week. You know, trust.
What? You know no money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses going on this side, you know. It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think the engine easy for run. Yeah, come talk about you know money if me not just till next week. Where you are going with? You better check yourself, yeah, sir.
This me have me. I can hope about this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know. Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know so you want your sort out. Saying, and you really are come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes or $500. Alright, let me feel him,
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go on a business, you know.
5 minutes, $500.
$500, no, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it, $500.
You think I bend down this, you think I feel it. If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't have no talk, so better you step away, sir. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left, look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money, and you want, no, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face you some scam you go on. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm coming without money, and in 1 little time I don't have no money, you don't want to give me. Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place, you go pay your bill. Them tell you say, alright, You can't owe till next week, eh? That don't work, yes, mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. A business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A farm you come from, you're going to make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just want to go quick, please. We will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
Me I'll give you
who
some
will
money
get the
when you
benefit?
come back. Just take your 5 bills. Me I'll give you some money when you come back.
Me can't hold my Sachin?
Hey, boy, don't make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Yeah, wait, easy. You can't hold my Sachin? You can't hold my Sachin? When you go in my Sachin shop, and him say, "Wow, hing, hon. What him say to you? Hey, I go. No sense. So you hold it and cool out. I understand the 5 bills thing and I go like you want to feel. For free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I say, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me hear all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take us 5 bills.
Business. What going baby, me have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright,
you can go on.
You hold the 5 bills. Come in and talk. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand, you know. I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you just depend. You stop like you're idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? Eh? You ever see one truck jump in an ocean? Eh? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? Eh? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand the thing money is all. You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you can't click you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you, know? Me I go tell all like
Thanks, your dream, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see what kind of number that in the cash bag. Crosses. Yeah! Yeah! No, sir. No, sir. Hello? Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good? Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. Yo, I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. In a cash pot.
One take care. You know bad girl in you, that's at 21 in you.
But man prostitute. Yeah. I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream.
Next one come with a 10 grand. And we move with him and then afterwards, she has said, he not worth the 10 grand. And we wake up Fridays and chefs, so I say, I must want cash pot this.
Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to really sit?
So, man, everything.
see, the thing he make bad eye. He couldn't go on out, man. One little time I see him with me make me a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Walk on. Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah? The woman down there be a cuss and I go on the most way. And she knows I'm nice with her. We just come out and say I can take some cool piece. You want to hear she go on my youth? Eh? And that I go on? So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True, she see little mark for me neck. She a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, when we come in, we just relax. Why? I differently do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know what, say, a little thing going on, I win a piece of money, yo. And if you tell her, brother, yo, you want a little thing, because I really, yo. And when I'm down, you did the same, yo. So just help yourself, you know? Yeah, man. Man, I respect you, man. Tell her. What else can you do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me I say, brother, we know a piece of money in a yacht. You understand? Licky cash pack, man. Wicked. We're searching for your ball. But watch out now. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. You can hear boy from around there, so. Man, call me, yo, and tell me a story about Jim. Say, woman, I hold him down. All of them thing there. Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be here. Man, right there, them boy, the girl. So, make him go on. And let him tell. I follow him. Alright. So, I just go so bad, man. Rakes up, I give me rakes too, you know, but I don't know what go on for him, but I rakes up the same way, and I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So I just go buy nobody, man. See it, you can't have money if it's spent. Wait, man. How are you, youth? What? Well, guess what, no? Glad I catch a rake. I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now, you know, so I'm not too tired, because I have some things to match up, you understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man, I make a move see way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with, I make it the food. I deal with it. Really, see me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars. Call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have to come look for him.
Yeah? So, your man there?
Could idiot boy gone about him business. Yeah, might have to come up here and come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and flour.
Alright.
Chop. How you with this one? Yeah, man. Get it, man. I'm there, no man, you know, sir. He's a boss. I look at him, I walk up and down like this. I don't know where they get it. Now check it. Keep your money. Keep your money. Yeah. Keep your money. Keep your money. It was on the brand new pack, man. Brand new pack. You never let me sit here. Alright, say no more here.
There.
Chaplada, take care of you, man. Eh?
Why not going good?
You're not going good. When there?
I know we ain't gone.
So I have to move fast. Fast. So,
I say one fire, I mean man and moving and thing, living.
I mean fire just left. I mean to see a long time man the girl the man. I say I go down the door. Now go down there.
Take back your man and let me get back my woman.
You see how them strain on them Bible stuff. No work. You have to come and work, do your hours them, and go work at your yard.
So about the soup then, I tell about the soup. Anytime the soup then come around, the people them run up and down. I wonder why.
Soup. Monday you can't, when they say Monday ask you for jump, just ask how high. You may tell you? Because them Monday, them get the orders. As a matter of fact, we just get the order from the soup. Because them Monday get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew, if you lock them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You don't worry about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew one? Carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you're planning something funny. You see me I say? Anybody, you just want to know say, one thing is Andrew.
And you know say me here say anyhow you win again. Everybody in the house I get one clocks. You see all iPhone 13, 14, something like that.
On my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Then I really sex then India sex. I'm all kill you.
Alright, like we're not getting no call now, just go on now, my business. So if we can't wait, get to sleep.
Alright then. Hello, this is Redgrove Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, say I'm just coming and I'm going to take my money. And please, me after my phone, I can't come back and give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to you. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Andrew, I would have find gas too.
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is prince? Which king?
He's a bro god.
So about me.
We don't value you.
When I have blood run through your body like when I have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind.
What?
He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes up my big.
Just tell us to come.
Come on, this is code red. We know if you're friend.
Shadi, look at man everybody work with that something there now. Because I don't know how it tight up. In Shadi, how are you putting that? That crazy girl putting that? Our girl that group. In Shadi, how are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah man, me just like how you take care of my body.
My ex-man.
Yeah, that the mad girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me out.
Hey, come out of that.
Yo, now who that? Girl, come out. Wait a minute.
Hey.
No, this is serious. Yo, shawty. Give me phone there. Give me phone.
Babes, call the police. Make you handle this, I swear.
Yo, girl, go put on that something there. Mister, go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station?
Officer, you know. Ex-girlfriend that me had right now. And he have a gun and he have a knife. She hear me moving a new girl in my house and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside me live, yeah. Third house. Yeah, she kick off the door there after up and come now. What you say? No one in the White House, man. Yo, you know no girl, me take Christian out all about fire attack to you, man. Me just say Christian out that pan over there. What mean say you don't know? Yes, I be said one man. No time come in yard, man, when she beat me up. What?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? I don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to bullet in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yeah, yo, no, don't jab, you know. When I laugh on station for.
Okay, but I'm sorry we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicles here. Vehicle.
Oh, you know not what? You know no vehicle. Oh no, never no vehicle in emergency yet. Yo.
Alright.
Everything good, everything me myself. Nothing good. Chatty, come here, Jizo. Turn up at the place. If she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? Right. If she kick the door off, you still turn up and go down low if you fire the shot. But you have an idea. Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew them find out quick? Yo, Andrew. Me nah go nowhere. You could have look every time. You early time or whatever. Mama. What am I right now? Dirty boy. Idiot. This is better. You can still out there, not still out there. Aren't there? Yo!
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you want? Go on here, yeah.
Yo, look what going on social media. Somebody this broken again. Yo, I'm sharing.
Yes, Red Boot Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. Can't call my boss name. Yeah? Who's the Andrew? What's the Andrew? Sorry. What's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Yo, put it up.
Yo, officer.
You're under arrest for the illegal use of the word Andrew and for dissing Brogan.
So yo, hear me answer now? Yeah, daddy. Yo, me call now while ago. And me call and tell them say my girlfriend ex-woman out at the door now. Yo, police, and me just call now while ago. Only say no driver and no down there now. To forward now. And me tell you my ex-girlfriend out at the door with gun and kick off the door now. So if I wash it there, best not pass her with the gun and everything. That killer will want to kill me then. Yes man, and me just call now while ago general. You understand me I say? So if me never say Andrew name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean?
This have go up on CVM and JBC.
Sir.
And TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the said word Andrew. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Andrew. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Andrew, sorry boss. Tell Mr. Andrew, your boss said, I apologize for using name, but I only way to save my life because when the now come, if you know you say gunman there, but as me say Andrew, before me could have say all next, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Talk to your mother about, talk to your mother feel. You know, for yourself, you're not gonna make you beat you. You know, have to talk to him, little man. Then it's dirty. Alright, it's all good. Alright, no more.
See your voice, Willis? You ready? I fight already?
What's the scooter for?
Alright.
You're back back here. I'm ready now.
I talk to your mother too, so when I get down with you. May I talk to you? I say may I talk to you so when I get down with you. I'm not making it.
Alright, no talking, Jita. Ready now? Action. What me expect you to do, you know? I continue to walk. And when you continue to walk, can you see when I walk more? You know what's happening? Exactly.
When you see me angry, you can this?
Yeah. Come on, like you're ready to kill him with the candy. You know me I say candy? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Talk to body dog. Body dog, talk to body dog. Body dog. Some young boy come, go to the wife. What's your attitude? Curious people, man, respond to them. Come now. Yeah, love it. A curious response to them.
Let me check it now. What she want, grandma? Just a chat to. Ready?
Alright, sorry, you got the camera.
Be sure. Be 100% sure.
Ready now? Ready.
Not candy. Listen now. Miss Candy, wait now.
Oh, big boy, come.
Miss Candy, wait now. May I beg you not to leave?
Why? Why me not see the big boy?
You know what big boy do? Why me do? Miss Candy, wait now. Nobody like him.
Me see how long it can run.
lick them too much.
No, that's the big boost. That's the point. Let's take out the mic itself. Pull out the mic and I'll rubber. Pop me here, Candy. Alright, Candy. What are you doing for talking before she starts? Let's do some chatting. What are you do some chatting? You tell her what you do. Very honest. Just do some talking.
You chat too much. Yeah. Grandma! When I shut up? Jesus Christ. How are you saying central? How are you central? How are you central?
Ah, we should talk about it in a minute. Hold on. We should talk about it 1 minute then. Can we think by now they're not dead? I wanna say hello. And Nablet this. Nablet toy. Alright, you talking English. You think by now you're gonna walk in and say hello. Alright, ready now, Candy.
What do you mean me not feel it?
Candy not looking now.
Why me not feel
Me a beg for you.
You a beg for big boy? You know a big boy do? Me send big boy for me money and big boy take it keep big old party in the same money in friend them. All your son involved in it. Big boy spend me money and buy how much liquor and you go tell me yo come here.
And you wait not gonna lick him.
You come here to the one laughing thing and be serious and me money big boy use the money to go pay a woman.
Candy when I lick with too much lick out them things, that's why me not have no sense.
So you used to get liquor in a small?
Wally pally.
Two not too bad. Come on.
Candy you mean now? Nobody lick you man.
I work hard to me no lick me. Wanna pick me when he do sit me around.
Candy I lick out his sense.
I'm a matter of fact a thief in thief and you're not supposed to thief.
Me not thief.
Me not teach you to thief. You're not supposed to take things when I give to you. Me not understand that. No, you, woman. Me know you long time and me don't want you to get money. Don't hold on for my son and they tell me say me not feel lick him. What you mean? Is your son?
No, Candy.
Alright, hold on. Good man, you're young girl.
And when he wants to sit down, he goes out. I can't sit and do him.
Alright, you want
no, sir.
Candy. Don't want too much big thing.
Look over there. What you say?
Alright, you need some kind of building, man.
Right.
I'm too distracted. Alright. Please, don't distract you. I want to say this woman, you have to hands never know about. So you are going now. Candy a cuss. You want it. You have to find one way to calm him down. Tell him one story. Me don't know. Candy. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I know she said that, but that alone doesn't sound convincing. Tell him, sit man, Candy, me understand, so you're angry. And you can't find the money.
You have to try to calm.
But, me I put myself in your shoes. You know what I'm saying? Start to man, I put myself in your shoes. Me know say I pick me and he rude. And he probably shouldn't keep no party because you never tell him to keep party or whatever. You understand? But, I know so there must be a way where you can solve it without licking. Because if you lick him, he now carry back his money. So, no beat him, man. No beat him. Because she chucky there. Me no beat Chucky, you know. You understand? That's why he's so smart. You understand? So talk to him, man. Go on with your mother. I can't no lick him, man. Me know a long time me know you. And a long time you know me. Go talk to him, man. Alright, go and go talk to your mother. And boy, behave yourself, man. Don't make you sit there again. Me I come go back up now because I chuck you up a yard. You know, talk to him, man. But if you only say, no lick him, man. I'll kick you out of me. You not convince me. Just convince him, man.
Yeah, man, can work out. So
Alright,
yeah,
so come now,
great
you're
things.
turning off the cameras. I'll try to try mine.
How we are singing?
A
beat, yes, this.
It's different try sound. That's what I need to do. Because making the sound different when I use it without the mic. Lapel, I make it sound.
Then I want you go in the house, here? Then I want you go in the house.
Lapel,
Very good.
Alright, you see lapel where lapel
Yeah,
look?
man.
It make it sound muffled. Easy. You understand?
Hold it up.
Yo, Alton has suffer mentally right now, is a shame.
Big boy, that's enough.
Really big boy, alright. Come here, come here.
Man, the man like he doesn't want to run off. No, God.
Ready now.
Alright.
Alright. Candy, ready now.
One more time.
Alton, come here, dog. Alton, you can't relax, man. Wait a minute, better. Look at the show this scene. Man, for record, man. Because you must can't be. Brother, relax the man, youth. Yeah, but the man, I record. Just relax 1 second, dog. You know, after the.
Alright, ready. Because time I keep up. And we have more to do and she go fast. Come.
Cut out that there.
Yeah, leave your man.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Candy, I don't think Go back, Candy, I don't chill. Candy, open your youth. Yo, me say, yo, fire, you make a hot deal. No, me not say me sick over weekend. Then you see I throw up with for sure. Because we going to have Christmas cake.
No, so we make it, Candy.
No, some candy. No candy. I buy them, buy it. Yo, I tell you, say, like a mash up for the whole day, no dog. Vomiting, running belly. Me nanny and back them up, no one again. Unless I'm a baby.
Oh, buy.
Yeah, buy. Market. That's story.